Welcome to Accelerator.tech. I'm Bob, and right now we're going to use Descript to transcribe a video file in a couple of clicks. You can drag and drop a video file that has audio attached, or just an audio file, drag it into Descript and let the AI go to work. Let's get started. We've just opened Descript. I'm going to go to New Project. I have a really crappy video that I made, so we're going to pick that. And I made it really bad on purpose so that we could use all the features. Transcribing, that's what we want. It automatically starts to transcribe the audio from the file that we selected. If we know that there's multiple speakers here, we can say how many speakers there are so it knows how many different people that it's looking for. If we don't have a clue, we can say unsure. In this case, I know there's only one speaker, and that was me, so I'm leaving that set to 1. Descript will automatically detect the speakers, so we can just hit done here and let it do its thing. Over here, it's telling us multiple speakers detected in dumb video for butchering. That's what I called this, by the way, because it really is a dumb video. And all I'm doing with it is chopping it up, playing with it, and using it to demonstrate the features of Descript. So we're going to say identify speakers. It's going to play a little bit of audio from each speaker that it has identified. Now, I know I'm the only one that spoke in here, so all these are going to be me. If you had multiple speakers on each little sample of audio, you would tell it who each one is. That's me. That's me. Hey, look, it only found one after all. All right, so you can see over here in the script panel that it has transcribed the file. And yes, indeed, there are certainly some things in here that we need to fix, but that's it. That's how simple transcription is. If you don't have Descript yet, you can try it for free. There's a link in the description, and you can stay on the free tier as long as you like, so you can really play around with it and see if it works for you. Full disclosure, I may receive a commission at no extra cost to you if you use my link. Next up, we're going to shorten word gaps with just a click or two. Word gaps are those pauses or spaces. Sometimes when we're making a video, we sort of draw a blank and take a minute to search for our words. Descript makes it very easy to shorten those pauses and make the video very smooth. I hope you'll join me for that. Just click the video that's on the right side of your screen right now.